you're looking for new construction, views from every room, deep water private dock, no HOA, have I got the house for you. Welcome to 1915 Cutlass Cove. Come on in, let's take a look. I'm Sally Daly, I can't wait to show you. Every room has a wide water view, thanks to 145 feet on the water. Details make the difference in this custom home. Stuck doing the dishes? Not a problem. You've got a killer view thanks to thoughtful design and exquisite execution. Surprise! It's the unexpected. This house has a fabulous double-sided butler's pantry with custom cabinetry by Vero's own Lecorte cabinetry, who built all the cabinets in this fabulous house. It's as beautiful as it is functional. Here's another surprise. This is not just a great room plan. Oh no. Because of the width of this lot, this house has this fabulous game room, man cave, media room, canasta space, wine room, whatever you wish it to be. All, of course, with fabulous views to the bay. What a way to start the day. This outside space is as thoughtfully designed as the rest of the house. I'm opening the Wall Street Journal, reading the paper. Your guests are in the guest house right over here with views. Everybody has their own space. What a way to start your day. There are two primary suites in this house. We're upstairs now, we just took the elevator. Holy moly, look at this house. Look at the custom built-ins with your own terrace. What a way to start the day. So that's 1915 Cutlass Cove. Isn't she a beauty? If you'd like a personal tour or for more info, DM me or call me at 772-538-4503 and I can send you a QR code with floor plan, build specs, and everything you want to know about this fabulous house. Thanks for coming. I'm Sally Daly from the Daly Group at Douglas Elliman.